Washington, D.C. is a river city. And having a natural place in the middle of a city is just awesome. Growing up, I was in the water a lot, so I didn't think I was gonna like living in a city. But the green spaces here kept me. Washington, D.C. has not one, but 2 rivers. And I've been working on the Anacostia River for 8 years. This is the best river to come out to if you want to get a feel for the city itself. So lush. I've been able to see parts of the city that most people still don't know are there. A lot of really nice places where you can get into nature, places that you wouldn't believe you're still in D.C. We see all kinds of wildlife. There's all of these opportunities to recreate. And there's a lot of attractions that are right on the river in D.C. Things like the National Arboretum, Kingman Island, Anacostia Park. But my favorite thing is introducing people to their river.
Is the tunnel?
They don't know it's this really pretty place that you can learn quite a bit about the history of the city.
There's another great blue heron on the right.
You can really see it when they get out here. It dramatically changes what they think they know. The idea of DC versus the fact of DC are very different.
So you can see most of this park in about 2 hours.
Most people don't think about it being one of the greenest cities in the country and in the world. We want everybody to see this river. It's one of the prettiest places in the entire District of Columbia. And it's definitely the place to come.